wakes up with the sunrise, carrying yesterday's scars, 1,000 little setbacks, but she's aiming for the stars. The road is never easy, and the mountains never bend, but every time she stumbles, she gets up and tries again. Persistence over perfection, one step at a time. A heart that keeps on beating to its own steady rhyme. Joy over joyless, creativity over complacency. She's building something beautiful from every possibility. She keeps becoming stronger, day by day by day. When doubt comes knocking at her door, she answers louder than before. What's the best that can happen? Why not believe it's true? A door could open wide, a dream could carry through. Light over darkness, a smile over tears, faith in tomorrow through all of the years. What's the best that can happen? She asks the sky above and finds another reason to keep choosing love. She keeps becoming stronger, day by day by day. Confidence over retreat when the winds begin to blow. Patience over pressure when she's moving far too slow. Self-responsibility over blame, she owns the path she's on. Solutions over succumbing, she keeps carrying on. Vision over blankness when she cannot see the way. Self-assuredness over ego guides her every day. Forgiveness over grudges, letting go over lonely nights. Healing over hatefulness, turning wrongs into rights. The world may say she's not enough, but she was made of stronger stuff. She keeps becoming stronger, day by day by day. What's the best that can happen? Why not believe it's true? A chance could become destiny, a gray sky turned to blue. Light over darkness, a smile over tears, courage growing stronger through all of the years. What's the best that can happen? She asks the sky above and finds another reason to keep choosing love. Self-love over self-loathing, self-care over selflessness, health over neglect, acceptance over expectations, imperfection over perfect, for better or for worse. She knows life's greatest lessons are written in every verse. She doesn't need perfection, she only needs to start. The strongest kind of victory begins within the heart. She keeps becoming stronger, day by day by day. What's the best that can happen? A miracle might appear, a dream she's carried quietly could finally draw near. Light over darkness, hope over fear, one brave step forward year after year. What's the best that can happen? The answer finally shows. A woman who kept believing, a woman who kept growing. What's the best that can happen? Maybe more than she can see. Maybe every choice for goodness sets her spirit free. What's the best that can happen? The question leads the way, and she keeps becoming stronger, day by day by